Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at scalping using imbalance zones in order flow with a 1 minute strategy that combines VWAP and imbalance zones. This approach focuses on micro price moves around fair value and institutional footprints to identify short-term trading opportunities on the 1 minute chart. On the chart, VWAP appears as a dynamic line that tracks the volume-weighted average price for the current session, often acting as an intraday fair value reference that price gravitates around when there is no strong directional bias. Imbalance zones are drawn as price areas where the market moved away quickly with little overlap, often seen as strong candles or segments that left behind the vacuum of untraded prices, indicating prior institutional aggression and skewed order flow. When price returns to one of these imbalance zones near or around VWAP, the chart shows a confluence between fair value and the prior area of strong interest, implying that the zone may act as a reaction point where orders get reloaded or absorbed. Rejections, wicks, or sharp rotations from those combined areas visually highlight where short-term scalping opportunities might arise, always within the context of the prevailing intraday bias above or below VWAP. Traders also control time frames with the 1 minute chart for execution and higher time frames for context, as well as additional tools like volume profile, order flow indicators, or session markers that help refine where and when to focus on imbalance/VWAP confluence. As for who is for and its limitations, this scalping approach is suited to experienced intraday traders who are comfortable working on the 1 minute chart, managing fast execution, and interpreting order flow style structures like imbalance zones. It is a conceptual and discretionary method rather than an automated system, and it requires strict risk management as low liquidity, high impact news, flat VWAP periods, or very strong trends can cause imbalance zones to fail or be overrun. The 1 minute time frame is unforgiving to emotional trading, and overtrading, chasing moves, and poor discipline can quickly negate the edge offered by VWAP and imbalance confluence. The learn more link is in the description below. You can read the full 1 minute straight scalping strategy article on VWAP and imbalance zones, including detailed examples and guidelines at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.